Well, here's a chainsaw I got from a YouTuber in the States. Just came off the truck. You can hear the truck driving away. Now it's a Poulan Pro. I'm not sure what model. It's well packaged. It's got good compression, so that's the main thing. I like these old Poulan Pros because they're pretty good. I've actually got some old Johns Reds in my junk pile, and they're the exact same chainsaw. So here's everything sent me with it. 2 bars and a chain that's still good. Not sure if there's any problems with it yet, but I'm gonna make sure she runs. So it's a model PP4620av I, 46 cc's. And it's got all the anti-vibe springs on it. And the clutch looks like it's got a lot of life left in it. So I've got it all gassed up and oiled up, and I'm going to take it outside. I'm just curious to see if it runs. So it runs, but not as good as it should. I tried setting the carb and it didn't really make a difference. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off the muffler and clean it, and then go from there. Special thanks to 2035 Jim, that's his YouTube handle, for sending this saw all the way from Lanesboro, United States. If anybody else has anything they want to send my way, go ahead. Even if it doesn't run, and I can always use them as props to make videos. Thanks again, Jim. We'll see you next time.